who tells you things that you don't want to hear. You are the one who keeps my secrets safe from all I fear. I am the mirror that you look in when you want to see the person underneath it all, the one you want to be. So don't let go, don't leave me here to be alone. We will go on together when you go, and I'll be alright. Along my way, as long as you love me. You look to me to be the one to save you from yourself, to put the train back on the tracks when you've derailed again. And you're the one whose heartbeat soothes me with its lullaby when I'm cried out and can't get back again. So don't